And now to the Trump presidency. Acting Attorney General Matthew Whitaker spent the day testifying on Capitol Hill in front of the House Judiciary Committee. He spent weeks preparing for questions from the new Democratic Party majority, specifically about his oversight of Special Counsel Robert Mueller's Russia investigation. CBS 4's Nicole Killian has more from Capitol Hill.
Acting Attorney General Matthew Whitaker faced a grilling about his oversight of Special Counsel Robert Mueller's Russia investigation.
But you wouldn't oversee a witch hunt, would you? You'd stop a witch hunt, wouldn't you?
Congressman, it would be inappropriate for me to talk about an ongoing investigation.
Whitaker repeatedly tried to reassure Democrats he has not curtailed the investigation.
I have not interfered in any way with the special counsel's investigation.
Lawmakers expressed concern about Whitaker's criticism of the probe before he joined the Department of Justice.
It's really hard to imagine that he did not talk to Donald Trump about his opinions about Bob Mueller.
Republicans say today's hearing has little to do with congressional oversight of the Department of Justice.
It's really disappointing. At first I was mad. I have to tell you, when this thing started hours ago, I went outside and a reporter asked me, "What do you think of the hearing?" And I said, "It's a joke."
And they repeatedly objected to the pointed questioning from Democrats.
As I previously answered, Congresswoman, I have not discussed.
Yes or no?
Mr. Chairman, if the department inquiry, if he feels that a yes or no is appropriate, he'll answer in a yes or no. If he does not feel it's appropriate, he should be able to answer in the appropriate.
I will not allow the witness to stall and waste members' time.
Mr. Whitaker also testified that he's comfortable with his decision not to recuse himself from the Mueller investigation, despite DOJ ethics lawyers' advice he should do so. Nicole Killian, CBS News, Capitol Hill.
And Whitaker's time as acting Attorney General is likely coming to an end soon, with the Senate expected to vote to confirm President Trump's Attorney General nominee William Barr next week.